How to find square root of 0.25 by long division method. At first we need to make pair. Before decimal we get whole number part, after decimal we get fractional part. For whole number part we will make row from right hand side to left hand side, and after decimal we will make row from left hand side to right hand side. So this is whole number part. You can consider another 0 just to make pair, but we don't need this. And for fractional part, make pair like this. Now work on this pair. You have to take here a digit whose square is equal to 0 or nearest to 0. If you take here 0, then 0 square equal to 0, which is equal to 0. Same digit will come to the quotient side. So 0 times 0, 0. Subtract 0. Since you have placed here the digit 0, 0 will come under the divisor, and you need to add 0 plus 0, 0. Bring down the next pair. Before this pair there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Okay. Now you have to take here a digit, and same digit will come here, and you need to multiply. So 0, then this, and you need to multiply by this. Okay. So look here. Here you have 25. 0 to 25. This 0 don't have any value. 25. So this 0 also you have don't value. This 0 don't have any value actually, because you need to place here a digit. If you place here 5, then what will happen? Look, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 0, 0. Okay. 0 to 5. Actually you don't need this 0. Okay. So 5 times 5, 25. That is right. 5 times 5, 25. You don't need this 0. This 0 don't have any value. Now subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we return. So our answer is 0.5. As you have placed here the digit 5 here, same digit will come under this divisor, and you need to add 5 plus 5, 10. Without decimal, look, the double of 5 is 10. Since the double of 5 is 10, this indicates that our answer 0.5 is correct.